And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can activate your red card in your DoorDash app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, to do so, all you need to do is simply tap open the DoorDash app from your home screen. So once you tap open the DoorDash app, you will have to wait for some time while it launches and gets started in your device. Once you're in the app, simply open your menu bar and there you can find the red card option. Once you tap on it, you will end up in this page where all you need to do now is simply type in the last 4 digits of your red card and the delight number and hit the activate button. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.